Ravanco's Conduit Containment Connector Band. Tools you will need. This demonstration will show installation of a full round connector band. These types of connector bands are only used on conduit and containment systems smaller than 8 inches and are not used on any Insul 800 systems. Make sure full round connector band is on the jacket and pushed out of the way before welding pipe ends together. After carrier pipe is welded, a pressure test must be performed on the carrier pipe to assure it meets specifications. Assemble the insulation bands as shown, assuring correct clip orientation. Grind the sleeves 1 1/2 inches beyond the inner ends before welding. Cut the supplied insulation to size. Do not discard any extra insulation until the job is complete, as it may be needed. Install insulation and secure in place using metal banding. Bend tabs down to secure ends of the banding. Trim the excess banding. Slide the connector band into place over the joint. Perform penetration weld around entire connector band on both ends. Please note that other styles of connector bands may require overlap and/or butt-fit seams to be welded in addition to the ends of the connector band. After connector band is fully welded, air test must be performed on outer conduit per job specifications. A soap test must also be passed before shrink wrap is applied. Heat up the leading edge of shrink with a torch. Press down firmly with a gloved hand to secure. Heat up the other edge and wrap shrink around the connector band. Again, press firmly with a gloved hand to secure. Using a torch, heat up one end of the closure strip. Heat the white adhesive side. Press heated end of closure strip over shrink overlap seam with a gloved hand. Heat the remainder of the closure strip, pressing down with a gloved hand as you go. Heat shrink wrap and closure strip with a torch until they are fully shrunk to the connector band surface.